What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ShishaAddict here, and I'm back again with another reaction. And today I'm gonna be checking out Trueno, the king of flows. Now this is a song that he dropped not too long ago. I know I'm late, but I mean, someone sent this to me with the English subtitles, so of course I'm gonna have to react to it because you guys know how much I really like Trueno. I mean, it's a shame that he doesn't battle anymore because I really enjoy him in rap battles. And but yeah, I mean, he's having a successful music career, so I see why, you know, he chose that over rap battling. But anyway, thank you so much guys for sending this video to me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's keep growing. I'm gonna keep giving you more content. If you do have any songs that you want me to react to, then drop in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's smoke the shisha and get to this video.
En la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the hip, the real dance.
Oh, that beat drop. Let's go, Trueno. You just gonna come in like that? No intro, no nothing. You're just gonna straight rap in? Okay, let's go.
En la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the hip, the real dance. Crip, la cara de los jóvenes del país. Es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado, Jerry, ya tú sabes, como sabes, sonando los bares. What you think about it? Ya la dicen a los sellos para que se preparen. Porque la calle pide salsa, comparsa. Un poco bien, un poco mal en la balanza. Millonarios quieren comprar mi esperanza. Ni con 50 millones les alcanza. ATR pido gasta. La promesa como Lío Messi en Barça. El único que escuchaba rap desde la panza. En la calle me
Okay, he's riding that beat like a motherfucker. He is riding that beat, man. Okay, there's a reference to Lil Mercy or the promise, like Lil Mercy in Barca, the only one who listened to rap from the belly. Okay.
Lío Messi en Barça. El único que escuchaba rap desde la panza. En la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the hip, the real dance. Crip, la cara de los jóvenes del país. Es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número contado ni el y el vocero soy yo. El mundo entero me oyó. En el ghetto soy yo. ¿Quién más rapero que yo? Que ahora todos quieren fama, quieren lana. Te reúno, techo y cama y unos besos de la mama. En la cima no hace frío, no drama. Son los sellos que me llaman y que dejo pa' mañana, ok. Yo vengo de la puna, traje el pan pa' mi pana, ok. Pobre competencia, Trueno gana sin ganar. Yo viajo por América, la Panamericana. Mami, el vocero soy yo.
Ya saben quién, ya saben quién.
El mundo entero me oyó.
Ya saben quién.
En el ghetto soy yo. ¿Quién más rapero que yo? En la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the hip, the real dance. Crip, la cara de los jóvenes del país. Es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado, en la calle me conocen como el hip hop, the hip, the real dance. Crip.
Oh, I ain't gotta finish, man. Fuck! Damn, fucking hell. This is a party song. This is a fucking clubbing type of song, but you can go clubbing and enjoy the fuck out of this song. Damn, okay. Shout out to you, Trueno. Shout out to you. Listen, when I listen to Trueno, I don't really listen for bars, or because I know he's not really the bar type of person. It's all about the flow, man. The flow is just incredible. And he, you know, this is just an example of it. Anyway, thank you so much guys for requesting this one. I really enjoyed it. Kind of where I'm sweating. I'm fucking sweating. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to my next reaction. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys. Peace.